welcome to the concluding part of our subqueries tutorial. I hope you have executed all the previous queries. So in this final part, we will see how to write subqueries involving three tables. Hope you remember our ER diagram as well as the tables, the department table, the employee table, and the project table. So the question is, display details of those projects in which employees of marketing department are working. Now see, if you look at the tables, the question is asking you to display the details of those projects in which employees of marketing department are working. Now as you can see, the question says display details of those projects. It means the main answer has to be displayed from project table. So always start your query from the answer which has to be displayed, because the output is displayed from the outermost query. So your query will start from select star from project, because the question says display details. Suppose the question was display name of the project, then it could be select P name from project. But since it says display details of those projects, so I have used star. So half of the query is done when you type select star from project. Now if you look at the table, nowhere in the table is written that the employee belongs to marketing department. If you see indirectly, there are 3 employees in 3 projects, 25, 3 and 27. 25 belongs to 20, 3 belongs to 10 and 27 belongs to 30. And if you look at the third table, marketing department has a code of 20. So indirectly what you have to do is you have to look for that employee code which has a department of 20. So as you can see, it is Mohan having employee code as 25. Just to repeat, marketing department has a code of 20. Employee code 25 is working in department number 20. It means Mohan is working in marketing. And PepsiCo project is managed by 25. So what we can say is only PepsiCo project is headed by an employee who is working in marketing. So a 3-level subquery is required. How you will do? First of all, the outermost part, as I said, select star from project, where the manager code should be present in the employee table. It means the manager should match those employees code which are present in employee table. Then select only those employee code whose department code are present in department table, and in department table the name of the department should be marketing. So this is how we have to go through this 3-level subquery. The output should be something like this: 111 PepsiCo 65,000, something like this. And the answer is this. Now if you go through this answer, at a glance you might understand it or you might have some kind of confusion. Let us now see it practically in the SQL prompt. So the query is this: as you can see, PepsiCo is displayed. The answer is correct. But now, how it is executing? Let us take it one by one. Let us execute this first part. Select D code from department where D name is equal to marketing. Let us execute this part. See what it has given to you, 20. So now let us execute this query by placing the answer of the previous query. So now I will type indirectly 20. Are you getting? First of all, what has happened? The innermost subquery has returned you the code of the department whose name is marketing as 20. Then I have placed 20 in the middle query, this one. Then I execute it. What happens? 25. Now this 25 is placed in the outermost query, something like this. In 25. The answer has come. Although this is just to show you how it is working, but I hope that you have got how this 3-level subquery is working. Okay. Now I will send you an assignment on the basis of this and previous 3 tutorials. So please go through these all 4 tutorials again, and I will send you an assignment based on this besides your regular lab sheet assignments. Okay, thank you very much. Please revise, recall, practice these queries.